Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into M1 Finance detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin, open your preferred web browser. Type in the M1 Finance website address in the address bar. Press enter to navigate to the M1 Finance homepage. Locate the login button, usually found at the top right corner of the page. Click on the login button to access the login portal. You will see fields for your email address and password. In the email address field, enter the email associated with your M1 Finance account. Next, move to the password field. Enter your password carefully, ensuring that caps lock is not activated. If you prefer, you can select the Remember Me option for quicker access in the future. Once both fields are filled, click the login button to submit your credentials. If you entered the correct information, you will be directed to your M1 Finance dashboard. If you encounter an error message, double-check your email and password. If you've forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Password link. Follow the prompts to reset your password through your registered email. Once your password is reset, return to the login page. Re-enter your email and the new password. Click Login to access your account. Congratulations, you are now logged into M1 Finance. Explore your dashboard to manage your investments and financial goals. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.